Grade 4 English, Module 1. In this module, we shall learn about the prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters that is added at the beginning of a root word or base word. This changes the meaning of the root word or base word. It creates a new word, sometimes changes a word into its negative form, sometimes creates the opposite meaning of the original word. For example, unsure. Here sure is the base word or root word and un is a prefix. Another example, reorder. Order is a base word or a root word and re is prefix. Every prefix has a meaning. Un means not, re means again. Now we will learn about the nouns. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are called nouns. Names of a person, animal, place or thing is called a noun. Without a name, you would not know what or whom I am talking about. A naming word or a noun helps us to recognize it. Let us learn about two types of nouns, common noun and proper noun. For example, Ayub and his dog are playing football in the garden. Here, Ayub is the name of a person, dog is the name of an animal, garden is the name of a place, football is the name of a thing. A name can be common or special. The special naming word is called proper noun. Ayub is a special name, so it is a proper noun. It always begins with a capital letter. For example, Ritvik, Redfort, Bruno, Dairy Milk. Here, Ritvik is the name of a person, Redfort is the name of a place, Bruno is the name of an animal, Dairy Milk is the name of a thing. All these words starts with a capital letter because all these are the special names. Now let us learn about the common nouns. Just like there are special names, similarly all nouns have common names too. These common names are called common nouns. Common nouns are names given to people, place, animal or thing. For example, girl, school, cat, blackboard. Common nouns do not begin with capital letters. Let us try to understand what are common nouns. For example, the boy and his dog are playing football in the garden. In this example, boy, dog, football and garden are common nouns. They are not special names. That is why they are called common nouns. Next we shall see collective nouns. A collective noun is a word that is used to describe a group of people, animals or things of the same kind. Collective nouns refer to a group of nouns as a single unit. Example, a flock of sheep, a swarm of bees, a bundle of sticks, a class of students. We use collective nouns to identify group of nouns. Sometimes the same collective noun is used to describe different nouns. For example, army. We use the collective noun with the following nouns: an army of frogs, an army of ants, an army of soldiers, and an army of caterpillars. In these sentences, we can find that the collective noun is same, that is the word army, but the nouns are different. Similarly, we use the word flight. A flight of birds, a flight of pigeons, a flight of steps, a flight of states. In these sentences also the collective noun is same, that is the word flight, but the nouns are different. Groups of fish, whales, sharks are called a school. Example, a school of fish, a school of whales, a school of sharks, etc. In these sentences also the collective noun is same, that is the word a school, and the nouns are different. Most group of insects are called a swarm. A swarm of ants, a swarm of bees, a swarm of butterflies, a swarm of insects, and a swarm of rats. In these sentences also we can see that the collective noun is same, that is the word swarm, but the nouns are different. So we learnt one common collective noun for different animals or things. Sometimes a single noun or naming words has different collective nouns. For example, a group of monkeys is called as a troop of monkeys, a tribe of monkeys, or a barrel of monkeys. In these sentences, the noun is the same, monkeys, but the collective nouns are different. They are a troop, a tribe, and a barrel. Till now, we saw a group of animals. Now let us see what different groups of people are called. Example, a blush of boys, a band of men, a bevy of girls, a class of students, a gang of thieves, etc. In all the sentences, the words blush, band, bevy, class, and gang. These are the collective nouns. Let us see what different group of things are called. A fleet of ships, a fleet of cars, a fleet of trucks, a chest of drawers, a library of books, a set of tools, a galaxy of stars, a basket of fruits, etc. Thus, a collective noun is a type of noun that identify groups of people, animals, things of the same kind. We shall see the gender of nouns. Masculine gender and feminine gender nouns. A person or an animal can be either a male or a female. These nouns can be common or special. A person can be either a male or female. Example, I am a boy, I am a son, this is my father, and that is my brother. Boy, son, father, and brother are of the male genders. Male genders can also be called as masculine gender nouns. We shall see another example. I am a girl, I am a daughter, this is my mother, and that is my sister. Girl, daughter, mother, and sister are the female genders. These female genders are also called as the feminine gender nouns. Just like persons, animals also have male and female genders. Example, bull masculine gender, cow feminine gender. Gander masculine gender, goose is a feminine gender. Drake masculine and duck is a feminine gender. Let us now learn two more gender nouns, neuter and common gender nouns. So what are neuter gender nouns? These are the naming words or nouns for non-living things. Non-living things are neither male nor female. Example, bed, table, telephone, computer, clothes, ball, building, lake, etc. Let us look some sentence examples. The clothes are on the bed. The dinner table is set. The words clothes, bed, table are either masculine nor feminine. It means they are neither male or female. They are the non-living things. So they are the neuter gender. They are used for objects and places and also for months of the year and days of the week. For example, February, March, April, Monday, Thursday, Saturday, etc. Next, common gender nouns. Common gender nouns are the naming words that can be male or female. For example, teacher. Teacher can be male or female. Dancer can be male or female. Doctor can be man or woman. So children, in this class we learnt about prefixes, nouns and the various types of nouns. Proper nouns, common nouns and collective nouns. We also learnt gender of nouns. Masculine gender nouns, feminine gender nouns, neuter gender nouns and common gender nouns.